Morning guys, so I am headed to spin in a little bit, but me and my friend are going to FaceTime before. It's around 8 a.m. and I just got dressed for spin class, so I'll show you guys my outfit before I hop on my FaceTime call because it's seriously kind of cute, kind of fun, kind of different. So my crop top is from Shein. It's just like a sweatshirt material. I have a Fabletics sports bra, and then my leggings are from LA Activewear. They're like a snakeskin, and then I just have some all white sneakers on from Nike. But it's just like a fun, simple, different kind of outfit for me. But I'm gonna hop on a FaceTime call real quick. Hi. There we go. That's perfect. On the way to spin. My class starts at 9:30. I'm like 10 minutes away. It's 9:20, so it was so much fun catching up with Maylise. She's over in Japan right now, so Maylise is my best friend and we just have a really big time difference, so it's really fun when I'm able to catch up with her, and we just had like a lot of fun stories just to tell each other. It was really nice, and it's just like such a fun way to start my day. But I'm currently on the way to spin. John's meeting me at spin class, which I'm super excited. I think I got him addicted to spin class, which is so funny, and we're gonna do a quick workout, and then I have to film and stuff later today, but I'll bring you guys along with me, and I'm just so excited. It's seriously so beautiful out. It's like 65 degrees. It's kind of sunny. It's just been a great morning so far. Alright guys, so just finished spin class. How you like it?
I'm dead.
I told them that you were addicted to spin now.
I wouldn't go that far, but it is enjoyable.
It's fun. It's like, it's a fun class.
It's a nice competition between the two of us.
Yeah, John still beat me. I got 17 miles. What'd you get?
Like 18.5.
Flex. But I'm about to go home soon and probably shower.
Yeah. I'm about to go home soon too, and maybe shower.
And I'll see you guys later. Hey Google, play my playlist on Spotify called Summer Vibes. Hey Google, pause. Alright you guys, so I just finished getting ready for this morning. I put self-tanner on last night, so I feel like I have a really nice glow, so I did a really light makeup tutorial. If you guys would want to see more of a makeup tutorial for summer, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. But I have a few errands that I'm going to go run. I need to go pick up some beads. I made an Etsy order last night, which you guys can check out my Etsy if you want. It's listed down below, but I'm out of A's, so I need an A, like a letter A, B. Bead AB. But I'm gonna go pick that up. I need to run through the post office, just small little things like that, so we're gonna go do that really quick. I'll show you guys my outfit real quick as well, and then I have a few things that I want to share with you guys today. It's just gonna be a busy, productive day, and I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me. So this is the outfit. Both pieces are from J. Crew. It's one of their favorite tees, and then the simple chino shorts that you guys know I love so much. So I love the pairing of hot pink and red together. I feel like it's just such a fun color combo. So that is today's fit with some platinum Jack Rogers. I think it looks so cute and just perfect for summertime. And then I just have on my everyday arm candy. So I have on my Daniel Wellington petite watch, and then my little ring that I just recently got, my Daniel Wellington ring. You guys, I seriously need to paint my nails ASAP. That's on the to-do list today. They're so chipped. And then on this arm I just have a bunch of bangles with this little colorful scrunchie. It's like fraying a little bit, but it's so cute. I got it for Christmas with my everyday rings. You guys, my flowers still look so pretty. I love them so much. These guys are kind of dying, but the pink are still looking really good. So I'm gonna get going. I'll bring you guys along with me, and happy Monday. It feels so crazy saying that. Like, I feel like with the whole quarantine and everything, I'm just like, what day is it? But it's Monday. It's a fresh start to the new week and I'm super excited and just very motivated. And I have a few things to share with you guys once we get back. Alright, you guys, I am back from Joann Fabrics and I want to show you guys what I got. I had a 40% off coupon from their website, so I picked up some alphabet beads like I was telling you guys I needed because I needed some A's, and I will put this in my bead drawer. I have an Etsy order, which, guys, seriously go check it out. They're so fun. They're so perfect for summer. They're just like these little beaded bracelets and I love wearing them. Some of these were custom orders and stuff. They're just so much fun and so perfect for summer. And then I also picked up this large, I think it's an extra large t-shirt because it was on sale, but also I have been doing embroidering, like where you get the little hoop and everything. I'll show you guys after I get the beaded bracelet done. I have to run to the post office and everything, so, but I figured I would do this for Father's Day and like embroider best dad ever on it with like a stitch and give it to him from me and my brothers, and just kind of like a little fun Father's Day DIY. So I will keep you guys updated on that, but that is what I picked up from Joann Fabrics. I do want to show you guys what I got in the mail the other day. It is from Just Fab. You guys know how much I love Just Fab. They're seriously so much fun. I'm so beyond excited and lucky to be working with them, so I will have them linked down below in case you guys want to check them out as well. The first thing that I got are these super cute little mini heels. They're like a cork, which I just thought was perfect for summer. So trendy, and then it kind of has like a little bit of a roping espadrille style, and I wore these to a graduation party yesterday and just thought they were so cute. They're so comfy. I have them in black and pink as well, and they are by far my favorite little heeled sandals because they're comfy, they're enough of a heel without being too much of a heel, and they're just perfect for like a very casual, but you can dress them up as well. And then my second pair of shoes that I got are a little bit more of a heel. I guess that's the best way to say it. And I wore these in my last video and I got so many questions on them, especially on Instagram. Are these really gorgeous cork in gold woven espadrille heel wedges or something like that, and seriously so stinking cute. It has this little strap. I think they look perfect for sundresses, but I think this will also be cute with like jeans and a white tank top or something. I am in love. They're seriously so cute, and they're not too much of a heel, which I really like because I have some like wedges that are like super big, and I think these are just perfect. So they're like dressy enough, like not a massive heel, but enough, a little bit of height. So I've been loving those, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I just got them the other day and I've been getting so many questions on them. But I'm gonna make this bracelet and then we're gonna run to the post office, and I'm trying to get my to-do list done, you guys. Yeah. Car, we are headed to the post office. I'm seriously so excited to get this order out. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for buying a bracelet. I hope you love it. And we're just gonna run through the post office. I told my mom I'd run through the post office for her as well, and then when I come home I think I might start the embroidery of that shirt, which I'll show you guys how I've been doing that and like everything like that. It's been a lot of fun.
Baby, I'm hot like the bird of the sun. A little party never killed nobody.
Okay, you guys, so this is called an embroidery hoop, and basically you use some like thread and you can like stitch in whenever you want. So I'm going to be doing that to my t-shirt for my dad and just do best dad ever. I have the Outer Banks on. I've been watching that, like binge watching it, and you guys, I recently took up the hobby of sewing, so that's what I'm doing. But I'm just going to embroider this real quick. Alright you guys, so I just finished making this shirt for my dad for Father's Day. So it says best dad ever. It's just like a hand embroider. I learned how to do this on YouTube. My mom kind of taught me how to do it as well. I think it turned out so cute, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. But I actually just got dressed and I'm going out to dinner, so I thought I would show you guys my outfit before I get going and end the vlog. My hair is in this like low ponytail, and I actually made this little scrunchie the other day, which I'm so excited about. I really want to put them on my Etsy, so be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys would like that. But this dress is seriously so cute. I feel like I've worn it so many times with you guys, but it's just so fun. It's so pink, so me, and it's got little fun bell sleeves and everything. So it is from Top It Off Accessories, and then I just have on some Just Fab heels, which are so stinking cute, and then just a bunch of arm candy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me for today. I feel like it was fun. I feel like you guys were right here with me. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more vlogs like this. I seriously think it would be fun to do like a little summer vlog series. If you guys want to see my little scrunchies on Etsy, be sure to check out my Etsy shop listed down below in the description box. And I just hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!